to find your Sephora tracking number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora.com in your website. Then click on your profile at the top right. Here, scroll down and click on Purchase History. And here on the left side, click on Recent Orders. And it will open this page. Here you will find your order. You will need to simply click on your order, and below your order you will find a Sephora tracking number. You can simply click on the tracking number and track where your order is. And this is how to find your Sephora tracking number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.